வணக்கம் அனைவருக்கும் புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். So for today's video, I'm going to talk about our Tamil New Year, which is today, 14th April. So today is a Tamil New Year, which is like last time it was a Telugu. As I say, it will come like within a week differences. And the mythological story is quite similar, but this one is quite interesting. I have read a lot of mythological story for Tamil New Year, but this one pretty much interesting because for the Tamil calendar and Telugu calendar, for them, mostly for all the Indian calendars, the nakshatra will be the representation of the start of the month. So this month is a Chitra month. So the Chitra is the first month for the Tamil calendar, and also the story which is revolving with the Tamil New Year. For the Telugu, I have seen that, so it's pretty similar. But this one, a bit something that I have seen here is the Lord Indra and also Lord Brahma. So they are, it's marked as the new beginning, and also obviously Lord Brahma created this earth, and also the start of a new life and everything in this earth. This is why Tamil people are celebrating today as the Tamil New Year. So yeah, that's the most simplified I have ever read and most interesting. I have also read about the Chola and how they have started, but that one is a different story. I want to keep it within the mythological story. So for the mythological story, this is about Lord Indra and Lord Brahma who created this earth, and how they are celebrating it as the first day in earth. And also in a Tamil calendar, it's a first day, just like a new year. This is a new year for Tamil people. So I hope this one helps, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Nandri.